Part 5, Major and Minor Scales. Let's write a scale on a music staff. So I have my 5 lines and I'm going to put a G clef and to keep it very, very simple, let's write G major scale because I know where my G is. The G clef is circling the second line because that's the G line. So I'm going to use a note head to circle that and know that I'm starting on G. Remember that if I start on G and I do a major scale, I will have a whole step, G to the letter A. So I would just put the A on the music staff like that. Then what will come after A? A whole step, and this would be B. So I would just find B and encircle it like that. When I get to B, I've just finished doing 2 whole steps. I'm ready for a half step. So B to C is a half step. So I've just put my C. Now I need another whole step. So this would be D. I need another whole step starting on D. So it would be E. I need another whole step. So what do I have to do? I'm on E. I have to skip something. I have to skip the white key. And that one is called, are you going to call it F sharp or G flat? Because it has 2 names. If I stand on F and get there, it's F sharp. If I stand on G and go to the left, it's called G flat. Which one do we call it? We go through every backyard. I'm on letter E, so the next backyard is letter F, and it's a sharp. So I put my music note down, F, and then to the left, I put the sharp sign to show that it is a raised key, a black one. Now I'm on F sharp and I finish off the major scale with G. So I put a note right above the F line in the space. So this one is G scale, G major. Okay. Let's do one more scale. I'll draw a bar line. Let's do D minor. D minor. Here are my 2 black keys, so I can find D. And when I do the minor, what I need first is one of each, a whole step. Well, I need to put D up here. I'm going to draw a new G clef. My first line, every good boy does fine. If I use that sentence, is E, and just before E comes D. So that's how I find the note before E. That's D. I have to have a whole step. So I put E. Then I have to have a half step. Remember in my minor I have a whole and then a half. So here's my half, right to F. Now I'm ready for 2 whole steps followed by a half. So F to G is a whole. I'm hoping to give you time to think. G to what is another whole? A. Now I'm ready for a half step. A, What comes after A is the letter B, but I have to make a half step. I have to go to the black one, B flat. So draw the note, leave room to put your flat just before it. Now I'm on B flat, and I need another whole step, so I have to skip something. I'm going to put a dot on what I skip. Draw in C, and then I need one more whole step, and on D. Very good. Alrighty. This gives us a really good introduction for your major and minor scales. You need to get out your staff paper and practice writing some of these on your staff. You also need to have some keyboard pictures to help you to locate those patterns. And then you're ready to play them on piano. So part 6 will be showing you how to play these on piano. So stay tuned for that.